What an absolutely insane morning for me here. Trading in my new funded Apex account. So you can see right there, the PA Apex. That's a funded account with Apex. So this morning, I took a few trades in these accounts. I had a bit of a debacle with this first account here. Ended up having a red day there in that account. I don't really know exactly what happened. The trade copier through Tradevate kind of lagged, and then it added and did some weird stuff. But luckily, I was able to lock in $4,200 times 6 funded accounts. So 6 funded accounts times $4,200. Not a bad way to start the week, my friends. So locking in some massive profits here. Also, this morning, catching a fish. We caught this wahoo. Went out fishing this morning. Caught a big old wahoo before the market even opened. And then I came back and, well, we did it big on the stream. So we traded, made a bunch of money, and then we caught a fish this morning, and now I'm going to go out and catch some more fish. So I'm over here just living the dream, baby. The market today, off of the lows down here at the 800 level, squeezing straight back up, right up there to the 900s. I think the setup of the day really was this pullback into the VWAP. We bounced off the VWAP beautifully here. We pull back into the VWAP. I said, if we get kind of out of this breakout here, we're looking for the 90 to the 900 level up there, which we ended up beautifully kind of pushing right up into there. So a beautiful setup here with the VWAP. I love the VWAP. You guys know I love the VWAP, but also if you look at the bigger time frames on the hourly chart here, look at that kind of double bottom setup here at the open. So we kind of pulled back double bottom. We kind of trapped below there for a second, and then we squeezed straight back up there, hit that pivot point there on the hourly, and right now kind of again bouncing here off of the VWAP for now. So the market kind of up, down, all around, had this big push up overnight. We still have not taken out that overnight high, the London highs. So there's still a possibility of doing that here today. But right now, I'm pretty happy to lock it down and to walk away. So the trade of the day was definitely this breakout trade. Very kind of textbook type of setup here. Kind of break it out. Also, big news right now, Apex is going to be offering a 1-day evaluation pass. I think that's until basically the end of day tomorrow, Thursday, I'm not sure. But they're also offering 71% off if you use the code down below, WIeland. Yes, Apex does have a trailing drawdown. Yes, there are some drawbacks. Yes, there's rules. I get it. You guys are going to be like, but. Hey, at the end of the day, there's rules with every prop firm. You got to figure out what prop firm works for you. And then if it works for you, it works for you. If it doesn't work for you, it don't work for you, right? It's just how it is. You can't sit here and get mad at me. It's not my rules. I don't make the prop firm rules. Somebody else has made them. I'm just following the rules. And also today, we ended up locking in some more profit on these My Funded Futures accounts here. Not a bad day to show you guys all the profits across the board here. We pull this down. So My Funded Futures, I got 3 funded accounts with My Funded Futures and was able to lock in 6,000, 10,000, and 3,000 there. So about 19,000 there, and then about 30,000 on, so almost a $50,000 day, close to a $50,000 day. We did have that one Apex funded account get blown up, but today took some really good trades here. I liked kind of these setups. If you look, trying to see on the open, we had this push right at the open from the 46s up there to the 55s, locking that in. Took some more trades, just some smaller trades there with the 15 contracts. You don't need to go crazy, right? So a absolutely insane day. Again, pulling back here into the VWAP. We've got this possibility of trying to take out this push to the upside. If you guys haven't already checked out Apex, link somewhere down below there. Use the code WIeland. Apex allows you to trade up to 20 accounts. They always have some kind of good deals going on. And I know that people are going to be like, but the rules. Hey, there's a lot of prop firms out there. Do your own due diligence and find out which one works best for you. Look at the different rules, the payout policies, understand them, and then do what you're going to do, right? You know, trade what you're going to trade. And if it works for you, it works for you. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And that's kind of just how it goes. So there it is. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, make sure you do. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning for Thirsty Thursdays, Turbo Thirsty Thursdays. Profits. Locking it in. Apex. Now I've got those 6 funded accounts with Apex. And my goal really is just to keep getting more funded accounts. I would like to get 20 total funded accounts with Apex in the future here. So that's kind of where I'm at. That's where my head's at. And I like to get as many funded accounts as possible. So 20 funded accounts and just kind of just stack up profits, stack up profits, stack up profits, my friends. So there it is. Locking it down, profits. We got a lot more to go. 2024 is heating up. The prop firm space is on fire.